Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete lock screen wallpaper on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete your iOS 26 lock screen wallpaper, all you simply need to do is swipe down from the control center at the top left, press and hold the lock screen. Then here you should have access to all your wallpapers. To delete them, all you simply need to do is swipe up on the wallpaper you want to delete, locate and click on the trash button. Then it should say delete this wallpaper. Go ahead and click on delete this wallpaper, and this wallpaper will be removed from both the lock screen and home screen on your iPhone. So click on delete this wallpaper. Now I want to repeat this again on all other wallpapers you want to delete on your iPhone. And then once you're done, select the wallpaper you want to use as your iPhone lock screen wallpaper or iPhone lock screen and home screen wallpaper. And after that, you are done. So that's exactly how to delete wallpapers on iPhone iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.